whatever. Waiting for Mum to come home. The only food it can get is from its mother, suckling at the moment. That's from last year's pups, the other little one there.
Bit bigger.